It's the 1950s. Stalin is about to make a speech in the Soviet Congress. After the applause ends and everyone is silent, one of the party members sneezes. Even though it wasn't loud, Stalin asks the audience, "Who was that?" Nobody answers. He orders the first row to be executed. After the soldiers take them away, gunshots echo from the hallway. Stalin asks again, "Who was that?" Still no answer. He orders the second row to be executed as well. After they are taken away, Stalin asks again, but there is still silence. The third row is taken. Stalin asks for the fourth time. Someone from the back row sacrifices himself for the others and nervously says, "Comrade Stalin, it was me." Stalin turns to him and says, "Bless you, comrade."